Hello, welcome on ladder and step up with me. I'm Snehal, and as I promised in last session, today we are going to draw flying bird in Python. So let's dive in. Open your Python IDE, Pycharm in my case, and let's start programming. So as you can see, if you open Pycharm, it will give you window like this. If you don't have any previous file to run, this will be blank. Let's create project first. Here you can see at the left upper corner, file, new project. You can give any name. See, I can give it as Saturday and create. This will ask you whether you want to open it in new window or not. So I will open it in new window. It will look like this. We have created the project. Now we have to create the Python file. So right click on this and new Python file. Give name to that Python file. See drawing. Let's see drawing and enter. It will give you editor to write your program. If you see this blinking cursor, you can press function and insert. See, it's gone. Let's start programming. This would be your first code to write. We will start with the print function. Remember, Python is case sensitive and we will write everything in lowercase. So print function looks like this. Parenthesis next to the print function, and this is always written in quotes. You can use either double quotes or single quotes. Let's start with very famous quote, hello world, and then we'll move to our drawing bird. You can write anything you want inside the print function and inside those quotes. Please remember. And if you want to run this, save. To save the code, you can press Ctrl S on your keyboard, and here you can see it's run. It will ask you which file you want to run. To select drawing, name of my file is drawing, select drawing. See, in the output window, this is showing hello words. It's very simple. You can print anything you want. See, if I want to print, for example, 1 2 3 4 5, or you can print any character on your keyboard. See, print save the file before run, Ctrl S and again run. You can see this is the output window. You will see results in the output window. This is how flying birds looks like. Now pause the video and try to print it. Let's create another Python file and name it as flying bird. Enter. It is created next to our first file, and let's start drawing. As you can see in the picture, you have two lines separated by some space. So keep some space using space bar, and then again some lines. Then next print, you have to follow the syntax, that is parenthesis and quoted lines, quotes inside the parenthesis. So after this you have these lines, and here like this. You can adjust after looking at it. Then again one more print, quotes, and here okay, print. So likewise you can print anything if you want. Here are two dots for our here's the beak of our bird. So let's see how it looks. If it doesn't look properly, we'll do some changes again. See how it's look. What else can you draw? Can you draw a square or a rectangle, or first letter of your name? Be creative and print something different, and hit the comment section and let me know what you tried and how it comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.